Meet Toby, Chris, and Alice. They're beautiful little kittens. They're like red tabbies, domestic short hair. And there are two actually that are more buff ones, and one that's a little more red. The one that's a little bit more red that you see here, orange red tabby, red and white, is Toby. Toby's a male and is about 2 months old. Very exploring. Hi, Toby. And then we find over here, Allison and Chris. They're sweet little kittens. 2 months old. One is a male and one is a female, clearly. Oh, they're so pretty. What are you doing sleeping in your litter? Perched up there. You're gonna play. Oh, they're very playful. They are looking for a very friendly family that loves to spend time with them and enjoy them.